guys, welcome back to another slime review video. I haven't bought slime in a long time as to why I haven't been making slime videos. This is the slime I've bought in the last probably maybe month or two. The Guava Toys ones are now at Walmart, so you can head over there and get those at Walmart. You can also get these at Walmart too. It's cloud slime, which I've been wanting for a super long time, and I finally got one. And I have this one's a from Japan, and then these two ones with the homemade containers, the ones I made. And then this one, I'm not sure if I reviewed or not, but if I did, I'm just gonna review it again. Alrighty, let's get started. Hey guys, this is the first one. It's Cotton Candy Slime by Guava Toys. Sorry if it's a little loud. It's really hot in here, and I have a fan going, and I also have slime videos going on in the background as well. So there's that. You can see the texture. It's kind of like a cloud slime. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's not a cloud slime. Like, it feels like it has like the instant snow in it, but it's almost like it's not activated or something. If you guys remember in one of my videos, I'm not sure if I did it, I had a marshmallow slime. It kind of feels like this, like that weird kind of texture. Not as bad though. There's no like glitter in it. It just has like a rough kind of, almost like a sandy kind of texture. Again, guys, these are, I'm not sponsored at all, but Guava Toys, slime, pre-made slimes, it was like $12.92 for a 4-pack, so that's not bad at all. That's a little over, about $3 a slime, which is pretty normal price. Some of the ones that I get, like if it's just a single one, it's about $4, but otherwise it's a pretty good deal. And I don't buy slime very often anymore, so when I'm able to and I have the money, I buy it. Alright, so that was the Cotton Candy Slime. On to the next.
It's in a slime pack, the caramel pack, and this one's popcorn slime. It has foam beads in it. It's yellow. And it is so accurately smelled like popcorn. Like, it's too weird how much it smells like popcorn. Like, I mean, at first it smells like just like corn out of a can, but once you're like playing with it and everything, it totally smells like popcorn, like fresh, warm, popped, buttered popcorn. That's literally what it smells like. Squish it down, flatten it out, do it again, fold it in. The only thing I don't like about foam bead slimes is that if you try to place it or you stretch it, some of the beads will fall off, and then so it makes a mess. And so that's kind of frustrating, but what are you going to do about it? It's pretty good though still. Sometimes it makes a good crunch, sometimes it doesn't. I guess it just depends. Alrighty, we're going to put this one away and move on to
So I have our next one, Snow Cone Slime. So when I first saw it, I thought it was going to be like a cloud slime, because I was like, oh, snow cone, that texture, that'd be super cool. It's not. It's a clear slime, clear blue slime with like little gems in it, but it looks like ice crystals. So I thought that was pretty cool. And it's blue, it's not purple. I thought it was going to be purple. It looks purple, but once I took it out, it is not purple. It has really good pops though, so once I play with it for a little bit, it like pops like super well. Like it's weird. Okay, let's see if I can get a good pop. Ah, yeah. That was a good pop. Right off the bat too. Usually it takes a little bit for it to get like warmed up. And this one, another thing about this one, has the beads in it, which I don't mind, but beautiful. Hope you guys heard that. That sometimes they'll fall out too, which is not a bad thing, but I mean, sometimes it's just annoying. See, there a bunch just fell out, and I got 2. There's like 4 or 5 that fell out. Guess I'm vacuuming later. Comment down below after the video and see which one you like the best. And if you want me to do more videos, what's your favorite slime too? If you want me to make a video of me making slime, I can do that too. I have a big gallon of glue I haven't used yet. I know I'm going to be making a slime video with my little sister. I'm visiting her in 2 weeks. So make a slime video with her, making slime most likely, and maybe playing with some slime. So stay tuned for that. Alright, on to the next one.
Slime. It's not my favorite one. It really doesn't have a smell to it. It's kind of weird texture. It's kind of like the cotton candy, like just the texture is. So it's weird like that, and I don't like it because it has a little more weird texture than the cotton candy one does. It's almost like the marshmallow one I was talking about earlier. But it has like little chocolate chips in it.
Okay, so here's the next one, the cloud slime, and of course, it's my favorite scent, watermelon. I love watermelons. You guys will soon learn that I love watermelons. Maybe I can make a video about all the watermelon stuff that I have. Comment down below maybe if you want to, or maybe you want to know more, learn more about me. I can do a video about that too. My videos are gonna most likely, I'm gonna start trying to do more videos on Saturdays, so I'm gonna try to do every Saturday, make a video, because I don't work on Saturdays. So I'm gonna try to either make like a slime video or do a collaboration video with my cousin. Do that too, or I don't know, maybe just answer questions you guys have. I'll find something out. I'm gonna roll it up like a burrito. It doesn't fall down like I want it to. That's okay though. Still super satisfying to play with though. I like stretching it. Stretching it is super satisfying. Only thing I don't like about cloud slime is that when you play with it too long, you get some of the snow, like the instant snow left on your hands. Which is not a problem, obviously it's like washable, but sometimes it's just like, you're annoying. I don't want to play with another slime after it because it's that annoying. And look at that stretch. Sorry, I have more slime videos going on in the background. Those if you didn't know or couldn't tell. Favorite slime so far? Yes, guys, yes. All right, I'm gonna go on with my next. So I have this one. There was like a world fair or whatever. They had different countries, and so I bought some slime from the Japanese area, and I've had to fix it a few times just because it's like a clay slime, but it's a little more sensitive. So it's like I just have to be careful with it. But like, I mean, right now it's okay. It's a little sticky, but it's not a problem. It's not like sticking to my fingers like bad at all. I mean, sticking to the table a little bit, but it's not like, oh my gosh, it's terrible. But no, it's super stretchy. I love how it stretches. I'll have to fix it later on to make it a little bit thicker so I can try to make a bubble. It's not pliable right now to make a bubble with it. Nor is it able to crunch with it. Can't make any crunches right now. It's mostly just for like, it's kind of trying to mix it, I guess. So it's a little thicker, mixing the clay and the regular slime. Oh no, the regular slime together. I got it on my tripod. I gotta be careful. Don't want to get on my tripod. Alright, and I have two other ones from Japan, but they were too melted and I didn't feel like fixing them. So that will be in another video when I'm with my sister, most likely. So yeah, that's it for this one. It's starting to stick and melt now, so I'm gonna play with my homemade ones now. So okay, this is my last one for now, guys. It's called Avalanche. It's pink with beads in it and glitter. It's a clear glue with glitter in it and foam beads. It's one of my bigger ones. I really don't get bigger ones anymore because, again, they spill. This one, because it's so thick, it won't open, and the lid is metal. So that's another thing that's cool too, that I know that it's gonna fit correctly. Get it all mixed together real quick. Let's flatten it out. Whoa, look at that stretch. Did you see that bubble, guys? Oh my gosh. That was a really big bubble. want to look at it closely. Beads, the pink slime, you see the glitter. Look how clear that is, guys. You see how clear that is? Can't even see it, so clear. Alright guys, that concludes my video today. Hit that like button, subscribe, share this video around. I'd like to get a few more subscribers. Yeah, let's try to get to 10 subscribers by the 15th. So hit that like button, share, and comment on this video. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.